In Washington state, homes and buildings are the fastest growing source of carbon emissions and cause over a quarter of the state's climate pollution. If we're going to stop the worst of climate change and protect our future, buildings must be a part of the clean energy transition.
This means we have to shift buildings away from fossil fuels and towards modern electric technologies like heat pumps that can run on clean electricity while also maximizing energy efficiency.
The challenge is how to scale decarbonization to meet the urgency of the climate crisis, and how to work together to ensure this transformation prioritizes communities who can benefit most.
In Washington state, Shift Zero, an alliance of over 50 green building, energy efficiency, affordable housing, and climate action organizations, is tackling this challenge.
As a key convener and catalyst for change, Shift Zero is supporting bold action on how to best and most equitably decarbonize our buildings and build for the future.
Since its founding in 2017, Shift Zero has brought together building industry, policy, and community leaders working towards a vision of zero carbon buildings for all in Washington.
Our alliance is committed to equity and inclusion through partnerships in supporting and engaging voices of communities most impacted by climate change.
Together, we have mobilized support for groundbreaking policies, making Washington an important beacon for other states.
Shift Zero helped pass first in the nation statewide building performance standards in 2019. Last year, Washington adopted the strongest, most climate-friendly energy code in the nation.
Shift Zero members successfully advocated for major state funding to expand the state's weatherization programs serving low-income households. This brings more conversions to heat pumps, better indoor air quality, and improved health outcomes, along with local workforce development, all while helping maintain affordable housing stock in Washington.
In 2023, the City of Seattle passed landmark building emissions performance standards projected to reduce pollution from the city's largest buildings by 27%. In all of these efforts, Shift Zero has been there as a hub for thought leadership, coordination, and advocacy. Now is the time to build on this momentum.
New buildings in Washington are being built more efficiently and all electric thanks to stronger energy codes. But look around us. The majority of buildings in the future will be the same ones we have today and will need energy upgrades.
Support for game-changing policies and programs to make building electrification and efficiency upgrades more affordable and accessible needs coordinated voices of advocates and industry leaders.
Shift Zero helps amplify those voices as we face this opportunity to protect our future. We are poised to achieve even greater things in Washington state and be a model for the rest of the nation.
Join us and become part of this movement, building a clean energy future.